I'm sorry. Do you need me to get out of your way? It's kind of like I moved in.
No, not at all. Can I help you find anything?
No, I'm just doing some research on genetic mutation.
Doing it for school?
No.
Somebody sick?
I hope not.
Well, I hope not, too.
Anissa.
Grace.
What are you reading?
The Outsiders?
It's not my thing.
You know, if you're reading about genetic mutations for fun, maybe it should be. I mean, this is nerd bait. Young folks with outsized powers traveling the world, knocking bad guys on their asses. And then there are the costumes.
Oh, I do love a costume.
Well, I tend bar at the Ruby Red Lipstick Bar, and we do a cosplay party on Friday nights. You dress up as any superhero you want. Supergirl, Looker, if vampires were your thing.
I don't really have a thing. Not yet.
You should come to the party. I would really like you to.
Okay.
Only one squad car can work the march.
What? Well, it's almost guaranteed that somebody's gonna get killed. Where these orders come from?
No one will say. I asked my commander and then the chief, and eventually I tapped out at the deputy mayor's office when she wouldn't return my phone call.
Somebody's setting them up.
Jeff, you got to talk to him. Try to convince him to cancel, reschedule, take a vacation.
No, I tried after you walked out. He won't do it. He's been inspired.
About what?
Black Lightning.
Black Lightning. Like I don't have enough damn problems. He's gonna get us all killed.
I hope not.
Here's your parade route.
Okay, now if Henderson can't change the parade route, maybe we can. You know, pick something that minimizes the chaos, makes it easier for Black Lightning to protect the marchers.
Hasn't the paperwork already been sent to the good reverend and the people that set up the parade route?
Yes.
So even if I break into the PD's computers and alter it, there's no guarantee everyone gets the message.
No, I know. I was thinking of something a bit more old school than that.
What? Shriners on lawnmowers to lead people the other way?
Close. I was thinking more like a handsome Italian gentleman in coveralls.
Whenever you call me handsome, I almost always end up dirty.
Well, then you won't be disappointed by my plan.